In this video, I am going to show you how to install the Google Chrome browser on your Android TV. First, ensure that your Android TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Start by navigating to the Google Play Store on your Android TV. You can find the Play Store icon on the home screen or in the Apps section. Select it to open the store. Once you're in the Play Store, use the search function to find Google Chrome. You can do this by selecting the search bar at the top of the screen and typing in Google Chrome. Once the search results appear, select the Google Chrome app from the list. After selecting the app, you'll see an option to install it. Click on the Install button and the download process will begin. Wait for a few moments while the app is downloaded and installed on your Android TV. Once the installation is complete, you can find Google Chrome in your app list or on the home screen. To launch the browser, simply navigate to its icon and click on it. When you open Google Chrome, you can start browsing the web just like you would on a computer or mobile device. You can enter URLs, bookmark pages, and navigate through websites using your remote. If you experience any issues during the installation or while using the browser, make sure your Android TV software is up to date by checking the settings menu for updates. And that's it. You can now enjoy browsing the web using Google Chrome on your Android TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.